Are you ready to shake up your evening meals to melt away those extra pounds? Tonight, we're diving into the how and when of your dinner to turbocharge your weight loss journey. Stay tuned, because the secrets we're about to reveal are both delicious and shocking. Fact number one, timing is everything. Ever heard of the saying, eat like a king in the morning, a prince at noon, and a pauper at night? There's a kernel of truth here. To enhance weight loss, consider eating your dinner earlier. Aim for 6 to 7 p.m. This allows your body ample time to digest before bedtime, boosting metabolism and reducing fat storage. Exciting, isn't it? Hack number two, size matters. Yes, the size of your dinner plate can deceive your mind. Opt for a smaller plate to naturally reduce portion sizes without feeling deprived. It's a simple trick, but you'll be amazed at how effective it can be in aiding weight loss. Have you ever tried eating from a smaller plate? Rule number three, quality over quantity. Focus on high-fiber, high-protein foods. Fill half of your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins such as chicken, fish, or beans, and the final quarter with whole grains. This combination is a powerhouse for feeling full longer and keeping calorie intake in check. Secret number four, hydration hints. Did you know that sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger? Drinking a glass of water 30 minutes before eating can prevent overeating. Not just any water. Infuse it with lemon for an extra kick of metabolism-boosting vitamin C. Tip number five, when in doubt, soup it out. Starting your meal with a broth-based soup can significantly reduce the total calories consumed during the meal. It's warm, satisfying, and helps pace your eating. Lose weight, one spoonful at a time. Wondering what an ideal weight loss-friendly dinner looks like? Imagine this: a vibrant plate of grilled salmon, a hearty scoop of quinoa, and a colorful array of steamed vegetables. Not only is it appetizing, but it also aligns perfectly with our rules for a slimming meal. Remember, losing weight doesn't require sacrificing delicious meals. It's about making smarter choices with ingredients and timing. What's your favorite healthy dinner recipe? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your tasty creations. If you found these dinner tips useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily insights. And if you're curious about cutting down belly fat even faster, check out our next video, How to Lose Belly Fat Fast in 14 Days. Click on the end screen now to keep your weight loss journey soaring.